Which keyword is utilized to incorporate modules into Python programs? Option A, __init___. Option B, import. Option C, __name___. Option D, def. Let's consider the core concept being asked here. Python relies on a modular design, allowing developers to break down large programs into manageable, reusable files. When you want to leverage external functionality, code libraries, or specific toolsets created by others or yourself in a separate file, you need a mechanism to bring those resources into your current namespace.
In my view, the correct answer is option B, import. The import keyword in Python is specifically designed to include external modules or packages into a script, making their functions, classes, and variables readily available for your use. Looking at the other options, option A, __init, is used for package initialization. Option C, __name, is a built-in variable reflecting the namespace status of the script. Finally, option D, det, is not a Python keyword related to module loading at all.